Reggae Interviews. Word sound power.
DJ 745 Reggae Interviews here backstage at Reggae Land 2024. We're here in Milton Keynes, the United Kingdom. We are here alongside Mr. Singy, Tarrus Riley.
Yes, I. Big up. What go on?
Everything's great. You are doing some amazing things. We've been seeing you on the road for quite a few weeks now. This is the last show in the European leg.
For now.
For now?
Yeah. We've been out here. We did Germany, and we did one UK thing also. We did Amsterdam too. So a nice little sprint.
Nice little split.
Yeah, sprint, you know?
Yeah.
Short run.
Yeah. And tell me how the vibe's been on all these shows. 'Cause I know you did a festival in Wales, Newport.
Yeah, big crowds, high energy, niceness.
Nice.
Yeah. I'm thankful, I'm grateful, yeah.
This year you've been putting out so much great music. Life Happy Nice, giving something on a dancehall vibe, and then we have songs like Ready.
Yeah.
So many big songs.
Yeah, well, I just try to experiment with sounds and the way how I give you the same message, because there is a message in the music, but sometimes you have to kind of thump it a little more energy, you know? Yeah. I don't want to big up the young producers because them get a lot of bad name, but they're doing well, you know? Big up Zimmy Production, big up Frostme and them for years, you know what I mean? So the future of the music is really nice. Yeah.
And then, of course, some of your long-time collaborators, Don Corleon. You have two songs on the Finally Rhythm, Kisses Don't Lie, and It No Makes Sense.
Tribute to Peetah Morgan.
Beats.
Yeah, that's a big deal. And Dan, you hear the man named Dan. So, Dan is definitely a good version of mine, and it make him stamp in the music. You can't rewrite history. Dan is one of them who really make an impact on the music. So prior to that, me and him did have a song named Baby Blue last year. I really love that song too. It No Make Sense Now is a song that I write the night before Peetah Morgan's funeral, because I couldn't sleep. So I'm a virgin Craigie T from TOK, and we just listened to the rhythm. I did the Kisses Don't Lie before that, and then I said, try something else too, And all I could think about was going to Peetah Morgan funeral the next morning, and it never makes sense. So that's why I say it no make sense, And one day you're here and tomorrow you're gone.
True.
So big up Morgan Heritage, we are family, and long live Japit. Yeah.
Now today on stage you did something really special, because today is the 4th of August and it's somebody's birthday, isn't it?
Ken and Dean Fraser. I'm a teacher, I'm a father, I'm a godfather, I'm a dad, my mentor, everything. Yeah.
I think that was a really special touch, because the fact that he was on stage and you sang Happy Birthday along with around 50,000 people here in Milton Keynes, very special.
Him deserve it, man.
True.
Dean Fraser is responsible for a lot of youth and youth career. A lot of things you don't know about that man. That man is the cornerstone behind a lot of artists, whether recording them or discovering them. So, I'm a teacher. Yeah.
What's happening 2024 and beyond music-wise? Albums, EPs, what's cooking?
All of that's cooking. I have albums, I have EPs. I just want to be healthy and strong, and then I'm ready to sing. So don't worry yourself. Sometimes when you don't hear me, it's not that I don't have music. I'm just very keen on how, and when and stuff like that. But we're ready, man. I wish we're ready.
Of course.
Yeah.
Tarrus, it's been a pleasure to talk to you once again. We look forward to seeing you again here in the UK and, of course, over in Jamaica as well.
Yeah.
Give thanks for the works and the contribution, because this year is 20 years from the release of that debut album, isn't it? 2004.
What our parables or our challenges?
Challenges.
Yeah, about that,
2004.
Yeah, time flies.
20 years.
That's crazy. I want to say rest in peace to Courtney Crichton, Blems. He was actually the executive producer behind Challenges. I was a little kid doing that album, and him give me an opportunity, him and Mr. Fraser. So, rest in peace to Blemo. Blemo is the brother of White Mice. Okay. Blemo, right? Jaja give me true love.
Okay.
Yes, I give you some gems there, you know what I mean? Yeah, so, wow.
20 years.
Yeah, I'll talk to you next 20 years from now.
Reggae Interviews. Word sound power.